Hey everyone, it's Friday, January 17th, and we're back with another SPY review for today's market. So, if you were here with me for the entire week, we were launching ourselves out of this old gap on Wednesday. We created a new gap, and then today's Friday, we created a gap from yesterday. So, I've removed those old zones and marked some new gaps here. So, let's get into what happened today. So, as we know, we still had momentum coming up from Monday. We had this gap here, so it jumped up, which means it still had momentum. On Thursday, kind of said, all right, let me settle, let me consolidate, and then get my momentum back to gap back up and continue to move up with the momentum from this week. We had a level here created a few weeks earlier, and it hit this level perfectly actually today, and created this candle here. So what we can expect is either the market momentum will continue to go up. Seems to be like a strong small level, but we can see it go up. It might hit this level too. It may, there's some strong momentum here, so it may try to come back down, but I don't know how soon. It's been trying to come up for a minute now, so it may still continue up and could continue to go up to make a new high. But we'll see, because this zone has only been hit once, so it may be hit that and come back down. We'll see. All right, thanks.